Welcome to Liver Theory. In the last video, you've got a basic understanding of animal physiology. Professor Zhao Ruqian of Nanjing Agricultural University pointed out that the essence of physiology is homeostasis. Then what is homeostasis?
You can forget all about physiology as long as you remember this one word. Then you will understand the essence of physiology. So what is homeostasis? For example, we usually require our children to have higher scores, and it's better if they are taller. However, in fact, there is an optimal range in physiology. Like BP, when you go for a checkup, you don't want the doctor to say, your BP is very high, the highest. You won't be happy. If blood sugar is high, you won't be happy either. Not higher is better, but within a certain range. But our body has to face various challenges, including the environment, including the feed, including the input of feed, including various inputs, and also drugs, right? And there are pathogens. So we need to maintain balance like a car's front panel. Assuming that if you can maintain balance, then this animal or yourself is healthy. However, once this balance is disrupted, you mobilize all your strength and still cannot maintain this stable condition, then you are sick or dead. Therefore, do not recall anything else. Simply focus on homeostasis, which is the fundamental principle of physiology. Once the steady state is lost, it becomes a pathological state. So what is another concept? In the past, our textbooks did not talk much about the concept of stress steady state, but now it is becoming more and more important in medicine. So what is a disease? For example, when I entered Nongda at the age of 20, I weighed only 45 kilograms. Now I weigh 623 kilograms. Am I sick? Because I am no longer within the stable range of my weight. As I age, the set point for stable weight increases. How to define whether I am healthy, diseased, or obese in medical terms? In fact, this set point also changes with age and with changes in the structure and environment of food, especially in our context. What does the breeding of our varieties mean, including the optimization of our nutrition? What does optimizing nutrition mean? It's breaking the original low level of fixed points and establishing a new, higher and faster growth rate, higher income, and lower FCR on this new balance. Establishing a new steady state. So this is our changing fixed point, our broilers, looking at the current white chickens. FCR can be reduced to 43. Even now, the weight of the touchscreen will continue to increase. So this adjustment point is in migration, but it still needs to be able to maintain stability under migration. So this is a very big challenge. In this way, it's a great challenge for those involved in veterinary or human medicine. When you go for a physical exam, you examine animals or check their blood sugar levels. What blood sugar levels are normal for your breed and state of pigs? What's considered normal and what's considered abnormal? So this is very important. So the steady state is a healthy one. And I have always said that we are all over the place. There are probably about 70 trillion cells, and about 30 trillion of them are our own cells, and there are another 38 to 40 trillion. Initially, we stated the number of microorganisms is 10 times that of our cells. However, it exceeds our cells, specifically 30 trillion of our cells, and 38 to 40 trillion microorganisms in the end. A large number of cells together actually constitute a steady state. What type of steady state is it? It indicates that all of our organs, such as the digestive tract, liver, lungs, and heart, are comprised of individual cells, tissues, and organs that perform these functions. And why do we have such a complex organization in an animal that makes us veterinary students complain about various organs growing in strange shapes and sizes? Why does it only serve one purpose? That is, to cooperate and maintain the internal environment of each cell, including temperature, the relative stability of pH permeation allows each cell to perform normal functions. In our physiology, there is a particularly good cartoon that shows the entire animal or human body transformed into such a box. What we are particularly concerned about is this digestive tract. Just now, President Kang mentioned that the digestive tract is not only a digestive tube plus molecules, but actually just a department that provides raw materials. Then the real extraction of meat with milk needs the cooperation of many organs inside. So you see, the main part is the blood circulation, because all cells need glucose, oxygen, and the elimination of metabolic waste and carbon dioxide, which all rely on blood circulation. And all nutrients come from the gastrointestinal tract. In this process, the liver is involved.
To sum up, liver plays a very important monitoring role in homeostasis. So what are the main functions of liver? Please look forward to the next video from Prof. Lachance.